Hello, you are welcome. The question here says simplify 2a over a plus b over a minus b minus 2a square all over a square minus b square. Now, for us to simplify this, the first thing we have to look at is how we can factor this part, this denominator here, which is a square minus b square. So this is a difference of 2 square. So let me write down this one first. I have 2a all over a plus b plus b all over a minus b, and then minus 2a square all over, this difference of 2 square can simply be written as a plus b and then a minus b. Don't forget, when you have a difference of 2 square like this, the trick to factor it is simply to open up brackets, add the terms together, and then open another set of brackets and subtract the term. So this is how to factor difference of 2 square like this. So now, we can go ahead now and take the LCM. Let's take the LCM of the terms now. So the LCM of these three terms, for us to do that, we have a plus b here, we have a plus b. So we simply take one of them, a plus b. And then we also have a minus b here, and we have a minus b. So we also take only one of them. And then now we can work as if we are handling fraction now, the usual way we handle fraction. So this divided by this, the a plus b will cancel a plus b, and we'll be left with a minus b. So multiply by 2a. So 2a multiplied by the a minus b that it gave us, that is a minus b, and then plus this divided by this, the a minus b cancels a minus b, and we are left with a plus b, and then a plus b will multiply b. So I can simply write b and then multiply by the a plus b. And then the negative sign that I have here, then this divided by this will give us 1 because they are the same. So this divided by this is 1. So 1 multiplied by 2a square will give us 2a square. So now, let's expand the bracket that we have in the numerator there. So to expand this will give us 2xa square, and then 2a minus that will give us negative 2ab, and then plus b multiplied by a will give us ab, and then b multiplied by b will give us plus b square, and then minus 2a square. Don't forget the denominator remains there. So we have to put the denominator, which is a plus b and then a minus b. Now, collecting terms here, this is 2a square minus 2a square, which will give us 0. So 2a square minus 2a square is 0. So that has cancelled out. Then I have negative 2ab plus ab as like terms. So negative 2ab plus ab will give us negative 1ab, which is the same thing as negative ab. Negative 1ab, same thing as negative ab. And then plus b square. So plus b square. So this numerator now simplifies to this. And then all over the a plus b and a minus b that we have there. A plus b and then a minus b. That is the denominator here. Now, let's see how to factor this part now, this numerator. In order to factor this, what I can simply do is to look at the term that is common. B is common to them. So I can simply take b, or let me take negative b, so that it will look exactly like this negative a, this a minus b. So I want this upper part to also look like a minus b. So because of that, I'm going to take this negative sign. So I'll take negative b. Don't forget, b is common, and then I take it along with the negative sign, and then open up brackets. So negative ab divided by negative b, I'll be left with just a. so that when I expand this, it's going to take me back to negative AB. And then positive B square divided by negative B, I'll be left with negative B. Don't forget, because of the negative sign, so positive B square divided by negative B, I'll have negative B. So that by the time I multiply negative B and negative B, it will give me back positive B square. And then now all divided by A plus B and then A minus B, which is the denominator here. And then from there, we can look at these terms that are equal. A minus B cancel A minus B. So I'll be left finally with B, negative B as the denominator, and then all over A plus B. And if I like, I can simply also rewrite this as negative B all over A plus B. So this can also be written in this form, and that is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not done so already. Share this video so that others can also learn from it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.